If you want to play supported Nintendo DS game online using Delta Emulator, then you can now connect to community hosted WSC server and play multiplayer game even though Nintendo's original DS online service was shut down years ago. And the good thing is you don't need to change any DNS settings within the settings app of your iPhone. Just open Delta Emulator app on your device. After that, click on the settings icon at top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and under core setting, click on Nintendo DS. Within this section, under online multiplayer, click on WFC server. Now select the WFC server you want to use for online play, and once you have selected your preferred server, the setup is complete. There is no need to manually change your DNS settings or configure anything else on your iPhone. Now you can open any supported Nintendo DS game and use its online multiplayer feature. For example, you can use this with the games such as Mario Kart DS, Pokémon, Animal Crossing, as long as the particular game supports the online service you are trying to use. Also keep in mind that online multiplayer support depends on the game and the selected WFC server, so you can check accordingly. That's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.